All right, guys, we have Billy Preston today. Nothing from Nothing, 1974. Awesome song, awesome year. I was 1 year old. Let's play some piano blues. Nothing from nothing leaves nothing, but you gotta have something. Wanna be with me, and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson right here, right now. But all the lessons for this song series are on my website right now, webpianoteacher.com. For the whole thing, even the piano part at the end where there's a piano solo section. It's really fun to do. The song is kind of short, but there's so much material in it in that short time. Fun to do, fun stuff. Let's take a look at the intro here. Now, I don't hear the piano playing on this part, but we're going to play it anyway because it's part of the song, and if we didn't play it, we'd miss it. So let's do it. So I'm going to start with the left hand below middle C with my 2-finger on a G note. G, F sharp, G, A, G, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Then I'm going to play an octave G, kind of as a little exclamation point on the end. Da, 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 bom. The right hand, G, F sharp, G, A, G. I'll start with the 3rd finger. Put it together, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Second measure, do the same thing. Next measure, we're going to do octaves in the left hand now because it's a little bit slower. This first part was too fast to do octaves, even though that would have been neat. But we can definitely do it here. G, 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 A sharp, B. The right hand is going to still stick with the single notes. So, la, 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 la. Boom, a little stinger there. G, B, D, G. Left hand on a low G octave. So, all of it. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Right? Then we get into this neat blues piano thing, and we'll start that in lesson 2 on the website. I hope this part 1 you enjoyed, and I really look forward to teaching the rest of it on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you guys later.